Olá, senhoras e senhoras. Bem-vindo da casa da casinho de NelMar. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode at the NelMar kitchen. Today, I'll be making milho frito. It's a Madeira side dish, you can say. So let's start with the ingredients. 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 chop of garlic clove, a handful of thyme, 2 tablespoons of chopped kale or collard greens, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's start prepping.
Trivia time again, folks. Which Portuguese explorer discovered the Atlantic island of Madeira and took possession in 1419? Was it A. Diego Gomez, B. Henry the Navigator, C. João Gonçalves Zarco, or D. Vasco da Gama? Stay tuned for the answer. Milho frito is a typical Madeira side dish made out of cornmeal. Similar to a very firm polenta, it is cut into cubes and fried. It is usually served with a espetada and other regional dishes in Madeira. Now start cutting the garlic, collard green, and thyme to fine pieces and put them to a side. Now add the cornmeal to a 6 cup of water into a pot and whisk. Now bring the balance of the ingredients into the pot and bring it to boil and keep whisking all the way through. Now transfer this over to a 13 by 13 pan and let it sit for a good 4 to 5 hours.
Now leaving here set to aside for 5 hours, it will become very much hardened. Usually in Portugal we do serve this with beef or pork, but today I'm going to be serving this with chicken. On the side I have marinated our chicken breast with French dressing. I'm just going to put this in the oven. While that's in the oven for about 20 minutes, we're going to start attacking this beast. So, what we usually do is try to shake it just to see if it's not sticky enough, which is perfect. There we go, face down. And what we're trying to do here is cut it in cubes. Perfect. After cutting one side, you do want to cut the other side, and you want to do pretty much a 2 centimeter square.
So who was the Portuguese explorer who discovered Madeira Island back in 1419? It was C. João Gonçalves Zarco. Did you get it right? Add the olive oil now to the pan, just enough to fry the fritos. Once you see the golden brown color, time to flip.
And there you have it, a taste of Madeira, milho frito. Until next time.
Now don't forget to click the subscribe button down below for future episodes. You can reach us at email or follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Beijinhos!